Alright, so here we have a vintage Carrier compact heat pump. Another one that I found around here. There's quite a lot of these still kicking around here. It's got the dual row coil. There is the reversing valve down there. Or is it? Might be in the back, I don't know. I haven't seen a larger one like this before. I know one of the smaller ones they had it like visible below the blade. It's not been running, unfortunately. There is this data sheet. It's from November of 1983, but the serial says December. That is probably a factory error, because the Z3 at the beginning of the serial means that it's from December of 83. It says November down there. They probably just forgot to change it or something. Enough yap. But yeah. Very rare to see one of these in current time. Also this old XU1000 right here, which does have the climate self-reciprocating compressor. Looks older. Yeah, 1995, 2.5 ton. Got an air temp over here, 2013 4 ton. Open scroll. And we've also got an XL14i right here. From 2005, it's 2 ton. Does appear to have a recip. That compact is the main star of the show. Yeah, thanks for watching.